Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on mic on Zoom meeting. To get started, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access your meetings and controls without delay. If Zoom takes a moment to open, just wait until the main screen appears. Once you're in the app, open a Zoom meeting. In this example, we're using a sample meeting, but the same process works for any meeting you join. After the meeting opens, give the screen a second to load all of the controls, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Now look toward the bottom left area of the meeting window for the microphone icon. This is the main control for turning your mic on or off during the call. Click the mic icon once to turn your microphone on. This is usually the fastest way to unmute yourself in Zoom. After clicking it, take a close look at the microphone symbol. You want to make sure there is no red line crossing through the icon. If there is a red line, that means your microphone is still muted. If the red line is gone, your mic is on and other participants should be able to hear you. This quick visual check is helpful anytime you're not sure whether your audio is active. If the mic still isn't working, go to the settings area or tap the three-dot option at the bottom of the screen, depending on the version of Zoom you're using. This opens additional meeting controls and gives you access to audio options. From there, click on Audio. This section lets you review the microphone settings Zoom is using. It's especially useful if your device has more than one microphone connected, such as a built-in mic and a headset mic. Next, scroll down until you find the option to test the microphone. This test helps confirm that Zoom is detecting your mic correctly. If the test works, you'll know the app is receiving your voice input. If it doesn't, you may need to check your device permissions or confirm the correct microphone is selected in the audio section. Once your mic test is successful and the microphone icon no longer shows a red line, you're ready to speak in the meeting. That's all it takes to turn on your mic in Zoom and verify that it's working properly.